My family and friends, today I received my Powerxl air fryer plus. See this? So I can cook without any oil. So we will be eating something healthy this year. Okay, my friends, the Powerxl air fryer is open, and here is the recipe. All kinds of fried food recipe that I can use for this one. So instead of deep frying, I can use this healthy cooking. Okay, so can I open this and I can cook on this one. Just put the meat or whatever you cook on this one and then plug it in. I will not cook tonight or today, but we'll see what happens. Maybe I'll try to figure out what to cook for this America's Powerxl Plus air fryer. So my friends, we'll see what happens. Watch my video, click that bell button so the next time I will put this online, the first one I have to cook. I don't know if this is the chicken wings, but I'll figure out something that I can cook. Okay, my friends, please subscribe, like, and comments, and I will see you in my next video.